Enjoying Kaiju number 8. It's fun. It's a fun show. So let's draw Kafka. I think I've drawn his Kaiju form a couple of times. So let's draw normal Kafka. Center point of my page about here. Come up over to the right. Start with the top eyelid line. Pretty straightforward anime eyes, kind of. I think. Yeah. Go up. Over the top, right? Kind of thicken them up a little bit, maybe. They're not like overly eyelashy or anything. And then the bottom eyelid line just comes around like so. Do they draw in pupils? I think they do. So iris, kind of oval or ellipse, and then pupil somewhere in the middle. His eyebrows are interesting. They're like a double spike, right? So it kind of like ticks up this way at first, like kind of high up. Right, and then they have like a little kick out in the middle, sort of here. And then they go real skinny back this way. And then we go black just in here. And we go over then to the other side. And we go same thing again. Sort of spiky at the front, slightly thicker. And then the bottom eyelid line. Iris then, kind of an oval shape, pupil in the middle. Frowning eyebrow. There again, real spiky high up. And then it has that extra little kick. Goes there, and then you just darken it up. His nose is just drawn in sort of standard anime nostrils, it seems. So like that and that. And then his mouth is one of those like big long flat ones. So it just goes like from the middle of his eye there. Confident kind of smile sort of a thing. Like so. And then his chin, square, male chin. And like roughly, like his chin's quite big, so I'd say like this space and this space are about the same. So like top of his eyebrow to his nostrils, about the same as nostrils to chin, and then nostrils to the mouth, it's about the same as mouth to chin. So here and here is about the same. Well, bottom lip area, that's about the same. Then we go for the jaw, up the side. And he has a beard, well, like lines, like this, not a full beard. And then inside of his face, up beside his eyes, this square sort of head. And then we have his sideburn here, which is just like a little V. Standard sort of practice in anime. And then the ears come out from that. General rule of thumb is this: your ears are like line up with your eyebrows and the bottom of your nose, sort of. Depends on if the head is tilted forward and back, but generally like that. And then we got ear lines inside. And it's like he has an earpiece in here. It's like a white piece of something or other. And then ear lines here. And then hair. So he's got spiky sort of Naruto sort of hair. Got like little sideburns there. First. Very similar to Naruto character's hair though, because it just goes like spikes basically. And then we, again, Naruto style, so we go like spikes coming all the way around his head. And if you're like wondering how far down, so like, you know, where would his head be? Normally eyes are halfway down the head, so like here and here. We'll bring it to kind of the top of his skull. So like chin to eyes, eyes to top of skull, but then the hairs go up a bit higher because they grow out from his head. So say if you're like top of your skull is like there, so that and that are about the same, and then the hair be up from this, right? So I'm going to aim for like up here. Right, so I'm slightly higher than where the top of his skull would be, like here. And then we keep going. Like that. And that's Kafka's head. So he's got sort of military uniform on. Wide enough neck, strong looking guy. So it goes that way. And then his collar. There. And he's way. So he's got like armor on his shoulder, right? So this kind of goes down this way and it goes off my page here. It's like a shoulder pad. Okay, his like shoulders pretty wide. His neck goes into that then. And then the other side of this shoulder pad curves around and down. Boom. I think he has a zipper that goes the whole way down the middle. Yeah, he does. There. And then there's like chest plates of armor here, and like his armpit line sort of there. And then he has stuff on his neck, these little like parts of his uniform, and what look like collarbones, but they're not. They're part of his uniform as well. And then just sort of edge lines on the shoulder pads, like little raised up plates of armor. There's like a bolt holding it on. And yeah, there's like some detail in this, but you know, it's kind of hard to see because it's right on the edge. It's the name of the monster hunting thing. But that's it. Kafka from Kaiju number 8. Good show. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.